to Wimpole Street Dental Clinic. My name is Chris Jamel, and in this small video, which we're about to show you, you can see how important dental hygiene is and how we conduct dental hygiene here in our clinic to make your teeth firstly clean and last for a long time. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope and we hope that you enjoy the video.
Maybe you know your dentist always recommends you to see the dental hygienist every 3, 6 or 12 months at least. And if you see here, at this situation, you will not guess what you see now. Even if you think you've perfectly cleaned your teeth, you can see bacteria when we color them. And this is exactly what we do when we do the dental hygiene. We clean all your teeth, polish the surfaces, and remove all the bacteria from the surfaces of the teeth. Additionally, of course, in case you haven't brushed your teeth as well as this patient has done, we'll of course remove the tartar or build up respectively and clean out all your pockets. With the dental hygiene, we do things you cannot and will not be able to do at home. So it's very, very important that you visit your dental hygiene regularly, every 3, 6 or 12 months, depending on what your dental hygiene recommends you, because you will not always be able to see the bacteria you have already attached. Thank you very much for your kind attention.